Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You already saved a backup. Now act. Select the range containing formulas or press Ctrl plus A for the sheet. Once selected, press Ctrl plus C to copy the cells. This preserves the displayed values. Make sure to verify the results visually before replacing formulas. If some cells reference external links, note them. You may want to update links first. Quick action avoids mistakes. Copying the formula's output is the safest first step before you convert formulas to static values. Now convert formulas to values. With the range copied, right-click and choose Paste Special Than Values. This replaces formulas with their outputs while preserving formatting. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V, then V and enter for speed. If you only want formula cells, use Home right arrow find and select right arrow go to Special right arrow formulas, then copy and paste values. Once done, recalc the sheet to confirm numbers stayed the same. Make sure to keep formatting. Paste values keep cell styles intact. Complete the process by recalculating with F9 and scanning totals to confirm accuracy. If something changed unexpectedly, use Ctrl plus Z right away or reopen your backup copy. This preserves your original formulas. Make sure to check for array formulas, external links, and protected sheets that can block value replacement. If you find a protected sheet, unprotect it or copy data to a new sheet before converting. Troubleshooting tip. If links persist, use edit links or find to locate and fix external.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.